This course is all about using Affinity Designer for web design. If you're not too familiar with the software, first you will quickly learn what it's all about and how to set it up for web design. Before we start designing anything in Affinity Designer, we'll take a look at web design concepts and good practices. You will learn how to choose colors for your design and where to find color inspiration and ready-made color themes. You will also learn basic web design typography, which is extremely important not just for good web design, but for good design in general. You will learn all about body text, headings, and how to pair them for great user experience. Then we'll take a look at a typical website structure, design-wise, of course. We'll talk about logos, navigations, sidebars, and all the other websites' building blocks. After that, we'll talk about what's in and what's not in the web design world right now. We'll also search for some web design inspiration around the web. With all that knowledge and skills, we'll move on to the design part of the course. When the design is done, we'll take a look at finalizing your work. You will learn how to properly save and export it for various file formats. There's quite a lot of good stuff to cover, and I truly believe that once you've completed the course and practiced on your own, you will start creating amazing website designs in Affinity Designer in no time. So let's jump right into the course and start with the fundamentals.